Hello and welcome to Alla Lighting. Today we will show you how to replace your license plate lights on your Honda Fit. This is how the stock bulbs look. The first step is to open the trunk and have it at an angle to reach the bulb housing. You press on the left side of the plastic and push inwards towards the Honda logo. The plastic will come loose. Now disconnect the housing from the connected wire loom. Flip the housing over and with 2 fingers, pinch the sides and pull the cover off. Pinch the old bulb and pull it out. Now insert your new Alla LED into the connector and then place the cover back on top. It'll snap into place. Let's reconnect the entire housing back to the wire and you'll see it turn on once there's contact. Slip the housing in and then push it left to click it back into the car. Take a look between the two. Our LEDs are superior than the old stock bulb. Let's repeat the install on the passenger side to complete the install. Whoa! Look at that brightness compared to the old halogen bulb. Our Alla LEDs are 2 to 5 times brighter than stock bulbs. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you again here at Alla Lighting.